What's up, my babies? It's Tatiana back with a new video. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're not new here, welcome back. If you want to keep up with me and follow me on my social medias will be in the description box down below. Today we're gonna do a vision board. I know we are 2 months into the new year, but I feel like it's never too late to set goals for yourself. I never really had any more goals for myself ever since I got my place. I just felt like, okay, this was the only goal I had for 2022, 2023. The fact that I got this place really motivated me to like, okay, what else can I do, you know? I'm gonna do a vision board on my phone. I don't feel like printing out pictures, getting a board, gluing and taping. We're not doing that. I already went ahead and went on Pinterest and picked out the pictures I wanted. So I started the screen recording. So we're gonna go to PhotoGrid. We're gonna cheat, okay? We're gonna have PhotoGrid make the grid for us, so it's not too much work. So yeah, so here it is. I'm gonna press plus. And we're just gonna pick the pictures. So these are all the pictures right here, I believe. No, let's go to my favorites because that's where I gotta cut that. Y'all can't see that. But okay, so here are my favorites, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick the pictures I want because I do have like multiple. Okay, we're gonna add more because I just feel like 16. I have a couple more pictures I want to add. Not the ad. This is annoying. Do I look weird? I hope I don't look weird. All right, so we're going to change it because I want it to fit on my what you call it, my wallpaper. I want it to fit on my wallpaper, so yeah, I think it's good. So look, it already made it for us, so that's good. I'm just gonna tweak it a bit, whatever. I think it's perfect, but I do want to kind of like organize it. If that makes sense. I don't know if I can. We tried. I guess that's somewhat, you know. Yeah, I think it's somewhat the way I want it. So we're gonna save. Okay, let's add. Okay, I don't want to add text. I don't want to add text just yet because I do have a couple more pictures to add, but I can't add no more because we can only have freaking what is this? Yeah, we can only have freaking 16 pictures, and I have more. So we're gonna save this, and then we're gonna, you know. So now we're gonna go over to PicsArt, and then I'm gonna add this, and then we're gonna add some pictures, the rest that I want. So I have some words here, like this. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of ugly. Actually, let's just, yeah, I feel like that was so unnecessary. So unnecessary. I might want to erase this one though. What y'all think? I feel like this is so ugly. But honestly, I don't think it matters. I hope y'all don't hear my stomach because I'm so hungry. I feel like I want to like make this like this. I want to like I want to bring it down a bit. Okay, there we go. I'm looking crazy right now. Okay. Wait. Where is it? What is this? Okay. I don't feel like it has to be perfect. Okay. What y'all think, y'all? I think it's perfect. this is it, y'all. This is my vision board. We're done. How long this video? 12 minutes? Yeah. So basically I want to explain it to y'all. So this camera, oh wait, no. I think this needs to move because it's low-key like blocking. No, okay. I kind of want this out, but we're not doing that again. So basically up here, the camera is the camera that I want for my YouTube channel. I already have the Canon G7X, but I just feel like, you know, you always want to upgrade. So this is like a Sony something. I don't know what it's called, but I want that one. And then this is my goal for my YouTube channel. You know, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, so I can be monetized. And then obviously consistency. I want to stay consistent this year. A relationship, if possible. Not really on the freaking bucket list, but you know, getting closer to God, like building my relationship. And then I am creating the life of my dreams, which I am. Eating healthier, getting into gym, skincare, you know. Another one, God is within her, she will not fall. And then, you know, just body positivity. Traveling, of course, a new era of me, drinking more water, money, a new car, good things are coming, more money, a couch. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's kind of, I'm struggling. Like, if y'all know, I got a new apartment and I'm struggling finding the perfect couch. Like, furniture is already so freaking expensive. Like, I already have everything. I just need a freaking dining table and a couch. And the couch is the hardest things I'm having a hard time looking for. So I put the couch in there, more money, and yeah. So that's my vision board. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, not too much. Yeah, so we're gonna save this. Oh, no, we're not buying the thing. What? It's gonna be free. Okay. We're gonna save it, go into what we just made, and we are going to make it our wallpaper. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. I wish it could fit a little bit more, but y'all get the point. Okay. What is this? Oh, look, I could change the color and stuff, but yeah, we're not doing that. Yep, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a new year. Manifest the life that you want. Go get it, and it's possible. So if you guys want to make a vision board, go ahead and do it and make it your freaking wallpaper. Or you could always do the one that, you know, you get a big board, cut out the pictures, glue it on. So like when you wake up every morning, you put it like on a wall inside your home, your room. You can see all the time. I'm always on my phone. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, and I'll see you on my next one.